the grave where my Lord lay. Oh, behold the Lamb, risen Lamb of God. Proclaim release unto the captives, and to the blind that they shall see. For I will clothe in Zion all who seek my face, with the garments of praise and the robe of righteousness. Risen King of glory, I, your servant am. Unto my Lord be the power and the glory. Oh, behold the Lamb. Oh, behold the Lamb, coming in glory, the nations before you. Oh, behold the Lamb, conquering Lamb of God. Open the gates of the strongholds, the King of glory enters in. Oh, fallen, fallen are you, great Babylon, for the victory is won by the power of the Son. Satan, you are vanquished by the Son of Man. All men and angels fall down on their faces. Oh, behold the Lamb.
Oh, behold the Lamb, slain for the nations, this fallen creation. Oh, behold the Lamb, holy Lamb of God.
Oh, behold the Lamb, emptied the third day the grave where my Lord lay. Oh, behold the Lamb, risen Lamb